Poco C31 will dispatch in India today at 12 p.m. East, and the occasion will be live-streamed. Up until now, the brand has prodded a couple of particulars of the cell phone, which is relied upon to be the replacement to the Poco C3 that was dispatched in India last year. The cell phone will be controlled by a MediaTek Helio G35 SoC matched with 4 GB of RAM. The Poco C31 will be accessible to buy by means of Flipkart and is relied upon to go marked down during the 2021 release of the Big Billion Days deal that beginnings on October 3rd. The organization has effectively uncovered Poco C31 dispatch Livestream subtleties as referenced. The Poco C31 will dispatch in India today at 12 p.m. East, and the dispatch occasion will be live-gushed on the organization's web-based media channels. We've installed it beneath for you to watch. As referenced, the Poco cell phone has been affirmed to be accessible by means of Flipkart and is relied upon to go marked down during Flipkart's Big Billion Days 2021 deal. Poco C31 determinations. According to the microsite on Poco's site, the Poco C31 will be fueled by a MediaTek Helio G35 SoC combined with 4 GB of RAM. It will likewise include a unique mark and a face-open component. Its archetype, the Poco C3, was additionally controlled by the equivalent chipset and SLAM design. It was dispatched in India in October 2020. As referenced, the Poco C31 is relied upon to be a refreshed variant of the Poco C3. Through the microsite, Poco C31 is professed to get a 25% longer life expectancy when contrasted with the market standard. The cell phone is additionally professed to stay all around great even after 2.5 long periods of day-by-day utilization. The microsite likewise specifies that Poco C31 will get a 1,000 charge cycle count. A tweet by Poco additionally makes reference to that the organization has tried more than 600,000 fingerprints to forestall extortion. As per the pictures shared on the microsite, the Poco C31 will get a waterdrop-style indent for the selfie camera. The presentation is displayed with slight bezels and a thick jawline. Different particulars in regards to the cameras, evaluating, and show have not yet been shared.